Can you believe it? With just a few recycled white pots, I can grow plenty of dwarf tomatoes right at home, safe, clean, and incredibly productive. This method is space-saving, eco-friendly, and perfect for anyone who loves growing fresh, organic vegetables at home. Growing dwarf tomatoes at home is not difficult at all. With just a little time, patience, and proper care, you can have pots full of ripe, juicy, and organic tomatoes for your family. It's a wonderful way to make use of small spaces and create a refreshing mini garden right in your home. Your like and subscribe make this little garden bloom. Thank you. To grow healthy young plants, I select fully ripe tomatoes to collect seeds for germination. Ripe tomatoes produce firm, high-quality seeds with a high germination rate, helping the seedlings grow strong, develop healthy roots, and resist pests, a crucial first step for a successful crop. I cut the tomato into several thin slices and place them in a pot of soil for germination. Then, I cover them with a thin layer of soil to retain moisture and help the seeds inside sprout more easily. This method is simple yet highly effective, allowing seeds to germinate quickly and grow into strong, healthy seedlings. I use recycled white containers to grow dwarf tomatoes right at home. This method is budget-friendly and eco-friendly, making the most of limited space while creating a fresh, productive mini garden at home. I use a water bottle as an automatic watering system for my plants. I make a small hole in the bottle and insert a piece of paper towel as a wick, allowing the water to slowly drip into the soil and keep the roots consistently moist without overwatering. This method is simple, efficient, and time-saving, perfect for busy people who still want a lush green garden at home. I use a water bottle as an automatic watering system for my plants. I make a small hole in the bottle and insert a piece of paper towel as a wick, allowing the water to slowly drip into the soil and keep the roots consistently moist without overwatering. This method is simple, efficient, and time-saving, perfect for busy people who still want a lush green garden at home. One small comment from you can make this garden bloom brighter. After a period of seed germination, the seeds have sprouted and grown into strong, healthy seedlings. Now, I'm transplanting them into a large white pot, giving them more space to expand their roots and absorb nutrients better. This is a crucial stage with proper planting. The seedlings will establish quickly, grow vigorously, and soon bloom or bear fruit beautifully. Now I'm adding water into the bottle to keep the soil consistently moist. With the slow drip wick system, the water gradually seeps into the soil, keeping the roots hydrated without overwatering, allowing the plant to grow healthy and vibrant every day. If you're still watching, please leave a like. It means the world to me. Now that the plant has rooted and is growing well, I'm adding worm castings around the base to enrich the soil with natural nutrients. Worm castings loosen the soil, boost beneficial microbes, and provide essential minerals, helping the plant grow strong, with lush green leaves and better flowering and fruiting. I'm adding more soil around the base to help the plant stand firm and retain moisture for the roots. This layer of soil also covers and protects young roots, allowing them to grow stronger and absorb nutrients more effectively, helping the plant grow faster, greener, and healthier every day. I cut the potato into small pieces, put them in a blender with some water, and blend it into a smooth mixture to water the plant. This blended potato mix is rich in starch, vitamins, and natural minerals, which helps nourish the soil, promote strong root growth, and keep the plant healthy, green, and growing faster every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll know with the fake self. You're one like keeps this tiny garden alive. Don't let it wither. At this stage, pests and fungi can spread very quickly, so I cut ginger into small pieces, mix it with water, and spray it on the plants. Ginger has natural antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to repel insects, prevent mold and fungus, and boost the plant's resistance, keeping it healthy and thriving. It's amazing! After just 45 days, I've grown a bountiful crop of dwarf tomatoes, with bright red, juicy fruits hanging beautifully. Seeing the results of my own care and effort feels truly rewarding. This is the perfect payoff for patience and love for gardening. Now it's time to harvest the results I've been waiting for. Seeing these bright red, juicy tomatoes makes me feel so happy and proud. Every step of care and effort has paid off a sweet reward for patience and love for gardening. If you enjoyed this calm moment, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me keep planting more.